this is your girl Sash from TooMuchTina.com. I'm here to give you biker chick tips. After spending an entire year on the road last year, 12 months of hotels, motels, and vacation rentals, and traveling on my motorcycle across the country, 15,000 miles, I think I know a thing or two about a little bit of long distance travel. I went coast to coast to coast on my motorcycle last year, and I learned a lot. So join me for Biker Chick Tips, and I will give you all sorts of inside information on how to be a fashionable, fun, excited motorcycle rider. Thank you so much, and visit on my website, TooMuchTina.com. Look down below and send me your Biker Chick tips or questions of things you'd like to know about long distance motorcycle travel. Thanks, ride fun.